Hello everyone, this is Mr. Emerson. Today we are going to talk about the fifth classroom exercise 2A, algebraic language part 2. Now we are going to do the try yourself question. Represent the following word phases by algebraic expressions. Q2A, add 3 to the product of xy. Now as far as we can understand, we do multiplication or division first before addition or subtraction. 先乘除後加減. And we look at the question, it says add 3 to something. To what? To the product of xy. Product is actually talking about multiplication, x times y. Okay, and then we add 3 to xy. Now we have the final answer, the product of xy, and then we add 3 to it. Next, this is a very typical subtraction statement. Let's record it. Subtract 9 from h. That is h minus 9. Okay, we say together. Subtract 9 from h. That is h minus 9. And now we have subtract 2y from 5x. So we put 5x before, and then we subtract 2y. Okay, that's it. And next we come across multiplication again. Multiply 12 by x. Now we have multiply 4 by pq. That is 4pq. So easy. For questions 2D, divide the clip of a by 3b. Okay, we have to deal with clip of a first. Clip of a is actually a to the power 3, or we can say 3a times together, and it's divided by 3b. Then we look at here division. Divide m by 6, that is m divided by 6. So if we divide something must come first, and then by 6 come after. By 3b, that means 3b come after, and this is the answer. Okay, now we are going to something more challenging. Add 5 to m, and then subtract 2t from the sum. I think it's very easy to say add 5 to m, that is m plus 5. And then subtract 2t from the sum. The sum is m plus 5. m plus 5 is the sum. And we subtract 2t. Okay, next, divide a by 2, and then divide a by 2. Exactly from what we learned division. Divide m by 6. m come first, 6 come after. Now we say and then add the product of 5b. Add actually is plus. This is this side. Add the product of 5b to the quotient, and a divided by 2 is actually the quotient because division comes first, so we can add 5b after. Now we are up to 18c. Subtract y from 8x. Okay, if we say subtract y from 8x, that means 8x come first, and then we minus y. And then multiply the difference by the clip of z. We know that the difference is the result of the subtractions. Because we are going to multiply something, so we have to put a bracket. Clip of z actually is z to the power 3. So because it is multiplication, so we put it at the front of the bracket. And this is the answer. Finally, we come to question 18D. Multiply the sum of u and v by 2. Multiply something by 2. So we have to find out what is something. Something in here means sum of u and v. So we say u plus v, and then we have to multiply it by 2. So we put a bracket here. And then divide the product by 3. Okay, this is the product because this is the result of multiplication. divide the product by 3. Okay, that means we divided the 2 times something by 3. And this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. We learned getting the expressions from the word phrase today. So thank you very much for your participation, and we'll see you next video. Thank you. Goodbye.